Welcome, parents. This is Mrs. Davinsky. I am your child's U.S. history teacher, either college prep or honors U.S. history teacher this year, 2020-2021. Thank you for viewing my video here, as we're required to put these on our pages. I wanted to take a few minutes and just explain a few things about class, and you are welcome to go on Zoom and ask me a few questions from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday, September 30th. If you have questions, you're welcome to ask me on that date. You're also welcome to send me an email. My email can be found on Canvas as well as on the school website for Lower Dauphin. For this U.S. History class, it's U.S. History 2, which is primarily looking at the time period of Reconstruction or after the Reconstruction time frame after the Civil War up to the current day history. Many students who went through Lower Dauphin had U.S. History 1, which was in 8th grade from an earlier time up to the Civil War. So this is a continuation of that class, but it's called U.S. History 2. On my Canvas page, students should be somewhat familiar to look for the Zoom link as well as click on the online textbook, which is available to students. It's the same textbook we use in class. So they should be able to access that. And then their main way to access assignments is to just click on the link on the homepage, which would help them click on assignments. There are assignments that are organized by units, so Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, etc. And they go along with different sets of chapters. So I do give students a period of time to complete assignments from different chapters. And then after we finish a unit, the students will see a unit test, which will be after we go through and discuss the assignments for class. There will be a few projects also in this class along the way, which will help students improve their grade if they so choose to complete them well. And those will also be included on Canvas as well. So everything primarily will be on Canvas. I do use some other tools as well, such as Nearpod or Edpuzzle occasionally. This is a learning process for everyone in this method of teaching. But I do appreciate your time and, again, your attention with this video. And I welcome your son or daughter to my class. And if you have questions, please feel free to send me an email or message, or also ask me questions on Zoom on September 30th between 6:30 and 7:30 p.m. Thank you so much.